Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to get open and close your maintenance board in the front side of your new Actros MP5. Ooh, you can see on the edges of your front area under the first or the front spoiler, there is on the right and on the left side there are two levers. These levers you're able to push outside, and if you push them you unlock the front board, and under the front board you can reach some reservoirs to get top up some fluids of your Mercedes-Benz Actros truck. Here we can see where the direction of the clamps are, and now you can see the service board is open immediately. Here we are. We can now get some dishwasher liquid inside. We can check the engine, etc. We can see the technology which is going in the front area. So to close it, it's here. You can see the mechanism here under the board. You can see the levers are going to inside to open the mechanical lock. And this is the negative thing here, okay? And this is locked on each side your board. So if you're going to close it like a car hood, 20 centimeters, drop it, and then job's done. Here we are, now back on the road. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.